What's up, folks? Welcome to Alan's Kitchen. This is so funny. My mom is gonna make fun of me because I never used to cook slash clean dishes back in home. Now I'm cooking, cleaning dishes. Wait. This shit camera is good. Okay, today I'm gonna teach you how to make an important thing which is called an immuno booster. You require honey and a lot of these are not garlics. And a lot of garlic. So I had some honey. Did you know honey is a neurotransmitter? If you take it in the morning, your brain will be firing with ideas slash a lot of stuff. This stuff is burning out. Okay. But this honey is kind of crystallized because it was in sunlight and it was there for like several months. So I thought, why not to make some immuno boosters? So how to make it? Easy. Cut the, what is this? Garlic. Put some slices in it. Throw it in the honey, and you'll set there for a couple of weeks. The benefit of this thing, that's the main part. If you are like a cold, whatever that is, you got whatever there is, if you take like a slice from this, it's gonna boost your immunity tremendously. This is like a super massive super weapon if you are like into eating healthy. At the same time, this is just one of my neurotransmitters slash immuno booster. I have plenty of them, so you can see. So I'll show you how to make it. First, we gotta cut these garlic. Be careful, this knife is fucking messed up. I almost cut my hand at the upper part. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna skip this and I'll show you how to do it. This knife is not safe, so I'll switch to another one. Made it this motherfucker. Jackpot, the right tool for the right work. Gorilla listen. Okay. And we cut this shit. We take off the skin, the hard skin. Do not throw a fork inside your coconut oil, because once it's liquefied, you can't take shit. Anyway, I'm not gonna change it because I'm lazy. Okay, folks, you have to cut the garlic just like this. See? Perfect. The girl I'm gonna marry, she's lucky. And if you want to an extra layer, put some random holes in it so it will ferment faster. Wait. Alright, now here's the important part. This lid is tight. Fuck. Super tight. Yeah. If you can see, it's just like crystallized. This whole thing. You can just do this, it won't go. And just throw the garlic cloves in it. Ratatatata. Rata. Ratatata. Rata. And it's filled up. And if you want to, you can do an extra layer, which is either add cinnamon or cloves. I forgot that name. Any spice cloves. I'm not sure about what's this spice named in English, but it's like a clove, some clove. It's a spice. So if you can add that as well, it's gonna increase your testosterone as well. So which is a win-win. Just add them. Close the lid. Final important thing is where you keep it. Oh, come on, follow me, camera. So if you keep it in a, gonna get sunlight and it's gonna affect its fermentation. So I better to keep this in a dark, cold place, which is obviously underneath that layer where you keep your rice and shit. And you can just keep it there. That's it. Wait for 2 weeks and your life on winter and whenever you got a cold. Alright, see you later.